The Galaxy Z Fold 7 just leaked, and it might be Samsung's most radical foldable yet. Wider screens, titanium frames, and a design so thin, it's practically flirting with Apple's Vision Pro specs. Let's break it down. Design revolution first, the numbers don't lie. At just 4.54 millimeters thick when unfolded, the Z Fold 7 is kissing distance from the thinnest foldable record. That cover display? 143 millimeters wide, a massive jump from the Z Fold 6's 132 millimeters. Translation: this finally feels like a normal phone. That happens to unfold into a tablet. Hardware upgrades. Now here's where it gets wild. Samsung's ditching carbon fiber for titanium components. The same material Apple hyped on the iPhone 15 Pro. Why? Durability. Early prototypes show a reinforced backplate acting as a hinge support, meaning this might be the first foldable that survives a drop test. But before you cheer, that leaked Z Fold 7 back panel might be fake. Camera rings are too slim for rumored sensor upgrades, and the flash position looks suspiciously like the Z Fold 6. Either Samsung's playing 4D chess, or someone just photoshopped last year's phone. Software and Secrets One UI 8 is confirmed though, and it's launching with the Z Fold 7. After the One UI 7 disaster, Samsung's betting big on optimization. Our sources spotted a prototype running buttery smooth animations, though we're keeping expectations in check. Oh, and about that trifold Electact rumor? It's happening, but likely as a 2025 Halo product. For now, the Z Fold 7's mission is clear: make foldables mainstream. So, revolutionary redesign or iterative upgrade? Drop your bets in the comments. Smash subscribe if you want the first real hands-on when this beast launches. Until then, keep those folding dreams alive.